Boy, have I got something for you. All you're doing is putting it on. You don't have to worry about lace. You don't have to worry about crochet knots. You don't have to worry about leave out. You don't have to worry about parting. You don't have to worry about anything. You said that's what you're looking for, right? I got you. I got you. So whilst we are drying, y'all know we in the era, the flip over half weeks. You know we done brought it back, right? But some of y'all don't really like the prices. And you asked for a dupe, huh? And I found one. I went from this to this. Maybe 10 minutes. Baby, the longest part about this process is drying. And if I wanted to, that could be quick as well. I just hit it with that diffuser. It's nothing. Y'all already know that. We are not new to this, but we are true to this. Now, this is what makes this so magnificent. Y'all know I have a snap full of hair, right? Huh? You know that. Okay. You don't need leave out. You just take the end of your rat tail comb and you just pull out a little bit, not all the way out to where your ends are exposed. You make that little hump right there. Then you take that basking lather. Somebody said, grab the basking lather. Somebody said, I bet you won't do it. Bam, I bet you I will. You grab that basking lather and then you go right over that little hump and into the wig. It's going to look. It's gonna look like it's all one. It's gonna look like that's yours, huh? This look like it's mine's.
That looks like it's mine.
Don't get up here lying. Y'all, this wig has comb, bam, comb, bam, comb, bam, comb, bam. Drawstring is in here, but it's tucked away. This wig is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. You can shout. You can do the percolator. Some of y'all wearing wigs right now where you cannot percolate, okay? You can percolate with this. It is percolator approved. I don't know if you know that, but it is. 100% human hair, y'all. Now, I've done a flip over wig before. This is a cheaper option. I'm about to show y'all though. We finna go on to the end of this. So y'all can see what I did to get here, as well as what it's going to look like once it is fully dry. I want y'all to see that. I want y'all to know that. I want y'all to feel that. I found a dupe for y'all, but this is it's a dupe. And the price is definitely right, but it's really competing with the non-dupes. So that's all. That's it. That's all. I'm not saying, huh? But if you looking to save a couple dollars, I got something that'll make you holler, huh? Don't forget when you put the basking lather on to smooth it out. Now, I'm going to tell you something about that basking lather. That is one of the best edge controls on the market right now because y'all know my other one, okay? Y'all already know what time it is. But let me tell you something about this basking lather. Sometimes it can dry pink. Take you a little mist bottle, not a spray bottle where it's going to spray so much water you look like you just got baptized. No, not that. You want just a little gentle mist and just mist it right there where you see that pink. That water is just going to take and you just smooth it. Bam. Bam. It's going to take that little pink cast away. If that's the case, because I don't always get it. It just depends on what product is in my hair and all the things. It just depends. But I told y'all I got you. Huh? Didn't I tell you that? I'll be having y'all. People don't know that. Now, if all hearts and minds are clear, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun, okay? Watch what I did to get it. Y'all not going to believe this. I'm not out here playing with y'all. You think I am. I'm not. Let's get it.
Usually, I don't post. Post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love on. Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two, but tonight. I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them play me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. spread the word. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about